Hello sir, my name is Vishnu Kumar Patel and my student ID is 202391139 and I will be presenting a analysis of residential property dataset focusing on how various property features influence sales prices. Introduction. This analysis uses a dataset of 100 residential properties sourced from Kaggle. We examine both numerical and categorical variables. Key numerical variables include land size, property age, total interior space, and sales price. The categorical variables are property type and the presence of garage. Our objective is identify how these features affect property value. Now come on slide 3, dataset overview and variable types. We categorize the dataset variable into two types. The constant or numerical variables include land size, property age, total interior space and sales price. And second one is the classifying or categorical variables include property type such as a apartment, condo, houses and townhouse and whether the property has a garage. This variable from the foundation for our analysis. Slide 4, Graphical Analysis of Property Features. From the graphical analysis, we observe that apartments are the most common property type making up 30% of the dataset. Condos, townhouses and houses follow. Regarding garage, a significant number of properties have them, which could influence their appeal. Histograms show most homes have interior space between 3,360 and 4,206 square feet and ages between 2 and 65 years, indicating a market preference for moderately and size and newer homes. On this slide, I discuss about comparing interior space by garage presence. We tested the hypothesis that interior space differs between homes with and without garages. The results show a p-value of 0.9055, well above the 0.05 threshold. Thus, we cannot reject the null hypothesis, meaning there is no significant difference in interior space based on garage presence. Next, we conducted a simple linear regression to explore the relationship between property age and sales price. The results show a slight negative correlation. Each additional year in property age reduced the sale price by approximately $729. Although the p-value indicates this is a statistically significant, the R-square value is only 6.53%, meaning age alone does not explain much of the price variation. On this slide, I am talking about multiple linear regression, age interior space, and land size. To better understand price influencer, we built a multiple regression model using property age, interior space, and land size. This model explains about 63.38% of sales price variation. All three variables were statistically significant. Interior space and land size positively influence price while are negatively impact it. This model offers a more compact picture than the simple regression. Model assumptions and validation. We validated the regression assumptions. The normal probability plot of residuals supports the normality assumptions, and residuals plot show no pattern suggesting error independence. This confirmation boosts the credibility of our model's predictions. On this slide, we can see comparing simple and multiple regression. Comparing both models, the multiple regression clearly performs better. It explains 63.38% of price variation compared to just 6.53% of from the simple model. The higher F statistic also shows multiple regression is more statistically relevant. However, we must be caution about overfitting and should validate model using the dataset or cross validation. On this slide, I am talking about significance of variables in regression models. In both models, property age proved to be a significant factor. In the multiple regression, interior space and land size were also significant. This finding suggests that these variables are strong indicators of sale price can be useful in property valuation. Conclusions. To conclude, our analysis showed that the multiple regression approach while better inside that simple one. All variable studies property age, interior space, and land size significantly affect sale price. Our validated model provides reliable guidance for a real estate decision making. However, more comprehensive models with additional variables and larger dataset could further improve predictions. Thank you, sir.